A bright new day. Our little helper is waking up.
Time to make your bed.
Okay, Mommy.
Let's start the day the tidy way. Ready? Let's learn together.
Are you ready to make your bed all cozy and neat? It's a great way to start our day. First, let's take care of your special smiling blanket. We'll fold the blanket nice and smooth. Can you help me find the corners?
Look for the pointy ends. Find the corners.
I found them. Corners together.
Now make it flat. Smooth, smooth, smooth.
You're helping too. Thanks, Pop.
That's it, just like me. Fold one side to the middle, then the other.
Look at that. Great folding.
The blanket is done. Next, we arrange the pillows so they can rest.
1 pillow, 2 pillows.
Give them a little pat, pat, pat. Make them extra fluffy.
Perfect! Your bed looks so comfy and neat.
Everyone loves a tidy room. Even our furry helpers can help.
Our room is almost tidy. Now let's give our toys a home.
In you go. Ball in the bin.
Vroom, vroom, right to the basket.
Bye-bye, Teddy. Time to rest. See you later.
That's right. Each toy has a home, just like we have our cozy bed.
Working together makes cleaning up fast and fun. Tidy time is team time.
We did it. High five.
Fold, tidy, arrange. You're a fantastic helper. You got it.
Are you ready to make your bed? It's a super fun game we can play every morning. Let's start with a song. Here we go. Make your bed. Tidy toys and pillow head. Smooth, smooth. Blankets neat. A clean room is oh so sweet.
That's it. Now push, push, straighten out.
Clap your hands and dance about.
Spin and tidy. Woof. SFX playful bark.
Fold the corners, tuck them in. Let the tidying fun begin. Fluff the pillows one by one. Making beds is so much fun.
Great job. Now push, push, straighten out.
Clap your hands and dance about.
Now for the bridge. Let's get all our fluffy friends ready for the day. Where do they go?
Teddy Bear and Bunny too, waiting in a line for you. Pat their heads and say good day. Now they're set to watch you play. Pull the duvet way up high, reaching for the sky. Pat it down and make it flat, just like that for my pet cat. SFX. Gentle meow.
You did it. Now push, push, straighten out.
Clap your hands and dance about.
One more time, everybody. Let's sing it loud and proud. You know the words.
Make your bed. Tidy toys and pillow head. Smooth, smooth, blankets neat. A clean room is oh so sweet.
Push, push, straighten out.
Clap your hands and dance about.
Hooray, you did it! Your room looks amazing, and now it's ready for a brand new day of play. Making your bed can be the best part of waking up. Wow, all done. The bed looks so tidy and cozy now. Every pillow is in its place, and the blanket is perfectly smooth. Look how neat it is.
I did it! I made my bed all by myself.
That's my big helper. You did such a great job, sweetie.
We are so proud of you for starting your day so responsibly.
Taking care of your space and making your bed feels wonderful, doesn't it? It's a fantastic way to begin the day.
It's easy and fun. You can do it too.
Thanks for tidying with us today. See you next time. Bye-bye.